Okay guys, I just got back from the market and guess what I found? So I got my lavender latte. My sister got me hooked on sweet cream in my Starbucks lattes, so just one more time for. Let's open this together. We both need this. Okay. The fellow at checkout looked at me and said, yes. Okay. So, for those that don't know, I love tea. I also love butter cookies with my tea, because that's where it's at in life. Oh! They're so cute! Oh my god, these are so cute. They've got little bows! With the cute little... Yes! Okay. Well, and now I have a new cute little Hello Kitty cookie tin. I feel adorable. What a wonderful, wonderful contribution to my Friday. Do you like this, Dia? She's here for the Hello Kitty. 100% here for the Hello Kitty. Yes. Anyways, remember to live life joyfully, and I love you.